Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
Yo guys, XLM Stellar for the token analysis. I'm going to use TradingView as usual and Ichimoku. We are looking here at a weekly time frame, and you can see that now that we went almost to our Kijun monthly, but we expect to close above by the end of the day. So we want this candle to close above and to go toward our Tenkan monthly. Because once we touch the Kijun monthly, anyway, something has to happen. So it could be a clear signal of a bull trend, or we could see starting here, right here, we could see a pullback. So that's why we are here to find out if this pullback could happen or not, and how to spot it. Thanks to Ichimoku, we can see some of the stuff. So we clearly broke above our price, our support, our price resistance here, which is now a price support, 0.37. So this was done today. Yesterday we were still flying on it. Now that we broke above, we have a second price resistance here, which is now a price support, hopefully. Of course, the day is not over, so we still can go back into it, and that's why we want to really look at very closely. In case we get a pullback, we need to short. Look at this lagging. The lagging broke above the long trend line, and this is a very important resistance. But of course, the day is not over, like I said, so it still can go back into it. It's not because the candle, the lagging is already formed above that the lagging cannot go back into it, because after all, this lagging is showing you the current price of our token 26 period away here, so 26 days away from here. So of course, if we go back down, if we close the day let's say by under 0.4015, then our lagging will close under the trend line, and on that case it means we didn't validate the bull, the break up, and we will need to watch this out. So watch clearly this out, because that's where we see things happening. Another things important to look at and to notice is this Kijun monthly here just above, which is also going to create some resistance for our lagging, and of course those for our candle. So it's at 0.4128, 4 hours time frame. But then look at this 4 hours time frame and wait to see if we're going to break above this monthly Kijun, or if we will have a candle closing lower than the previous one. At the moment, it's still fine. We had a doji candle here, but this doji candle is above the previous one, so things still going well. Now we want to see this candle, this 4 hours candle, which will be over in exactly 4 hours, about that. We want it to close above here, or to go touch at least our Kijun monthly before we get any reaction. So you just watch this out, and if we're going bearish, where is your stop loss? You have a stop loss if you are on a long trade here. Your stop loss should be at least based on this Tenkan, yeah, our Tenkan at 0.3847, or at the resistance here. But a stop loss will be placed here. It will be smarter to place it a step behind before another clear trend, not trend line, sorry, price resistance. Okay, so you got to look at this clearly, and if we break above this Kijun monthly finally, but then we have all the way up to our price resistance here, which I moved while I was talking to you, so it's not exactly here now. It has to be at the ATH here, this one from the 6th of September, so 0.4320. So remember, we close above with some of our candles, the 1 hour or 4 hours candles, then we have a way to go all the way up here before we get any pullback. Okay guys, that's it for the moment. I see you soon. Like and subscribe if you want me to talk more about it, about this token during the next week. And of course, I'm going to make some videos next about Bitcoin, some good stuff about it to know. So watch, and see you soon.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to Style I Crypt YouTube. Ichimoku technical analysis. Ichimoku the best. Ichimoku Style I Crypt on YouTube. Subscribe.